Hey guys, welcome to Beginner Investing. Today I'm just going to be going over basically looking at a basic stock, some of the basic information you want to be aware of when you're investing, and some of the things that really don't matter. I understand when you look at stocks and bonds and other securities, there's a lot of information going on. It can be quite confusing. So the purpose of this video is just to show you guys some of the information you need to pay attention to when making your investment decisions. So right now I'm using Yahoo Finance. It's free. I'm on the app right now. If you don't have it, definitely get it downloaded, or you can use whatever financial program you use. There's a few of them out there that provide the same type of data. I just chose Yahoo Finance because they have an app and it's pretty easy to use. So first thing you want to do is head to the top, go on the search bar, just type in the security that you want to take a look at. Let's just go with AT&T. They're at the top. First thing you're going to see starting at the top of the screen, the letter T, that's the ticker symbol. Below that, you see the current price of a stock of AT&T at $29.57. Moving on down, at close, looks like it was down 1.10%. And after it actually closed, once they finished calculating all the transactions for the day, it was actually down another 0.03%. Moving on down, we get to the graph. Looks like this is the daily graph. Along the bottom there, you can see 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 6 month, year to date, 1 year, 5 year max. Now, depending on what type of investment you're doing, if you're more short term, there's 1 day, 5 day, maybe even the 6 month day might be important for you. Now, if you're more into the buy and hold type of investing, or you're investing for the long term, you're probably going to be looking something more like 5 year, which is this, or even the max, which is this here. Now, as you can see, when you look at those graphs, please pay attention to that, because it depending on your goal, again, if you're going short term or long term, that determines or should dictate which graph you want to look at. Moving on down here, we get to the day range. So this is basically telling you the range the stock traded in for this particular day. And then again, the same number for a 52-week range, which is about a year. Moving on down again, there's the previous close from the prior day was $29.90. Opened up at $29.80. Again, the day range, again, the 52-day range. Market cap, who cares? We're not interested in that right now. The volume, amount of shares out in circulation, who cares about that right now? That's not important to us. The 1 year target, that is not important to us. Average volume, that is not important to us. Now, the price earning ratio, that's a little important. That's 18%. That's basically the price compared to the earnings of a share, which is at 18%. This is how some people value stocks, or to determine if they overvalued or undervalued. Moving on down, we have the earnings per share. That's definitely important. As the name states, it means earnings per share. So that's $1.64 per share. Beta, not really important unless we're talking about options. Next, we have dividend. Oh, very important, which is probably the most important for most of you guys out here, is the dividend, which is at $2.08, which turns out to be a 6.96% return on your money. Now, that concludes that information there. The next thing you want to do is just hit details, which is going to take you to the financial information. And then what I like to do is hit view all. And voila, we get the financial statements. Starting with the income statement here. As you see, it breaks down all the information you need concerning the income statement. You can actually scroll to the side to see previous years there. If you keep on and you continue down, show some more quarterly information and revenue and the earnings there on that bar graph. If you can also go to the balance sheet. There's the balance sheet. Basically have the liabilities and the assets, which should balance out. The last statement, which is the cash flow statement, you can see here the cash coming in and out of the business. And as you can see, the free cash flow at $25.9 million. Now, that sums it up for all the basic information you need to be aware of when taking a look at stocks and bonds and any other securities. If you watching this on YouTube, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos such as this. If you're on Instagram, Facebook, If you haven't, please go ahead and like and follow the page so you can stay up to date with all this new content. I'm also going to put some links in the description for you guys to get some free information. I have a great book for you guys to check out. I have it in PDF form. If you're not able to get the paperback, that's available free for you guys as well. Leave any question, comments, feel free to send that in. That way I can help you guys out with new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. And let's make some money investing.